Civil emergency message for South Dakota, North Dakota, Michigan, California, and Oregon. The following message is transmitted by the request of the South Dakota Police. Flags are walking around. They are unknown. All residents in South Dakota, North Dakota, Michigan, California, and Oregon should lock all your doors and windows. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Police Department and the Emergency Management Agency. We know who the creatures are. They called the object flags. There's 5 different flags. The 5 object flags are United States, Spain, El Salvador, United Kingdom, and Japan. If you see these creatures, which they're friendly, well, some of them are friendly. If you see the unfriendly one, seek underground shelter immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. Spain is going on a rampage. All residents in Chicago should seek underground shelter and shelter in place immediately. Bring food, water, medical supplies, phones, a battery charger, and a fully charged radio. Stay tuned for more updates on this life-threatening situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Michigan and New Jersey Police Department. The object flags are trying to sort this out. Why is Spain going on a rampage? United States is friendly, even United Kingdom, El Salvador, and Japan. You could say hi to them if you want, but be careful with Spain. Stay tuned for more updates on this life-threatening situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Carolina Police Department. A child adoption emergency has been issued for the following counties or areas. The police are looking for Sus Martinez. She is 5 years old. She has Mario t-shirt. She has a Pink Panther shoes, SpongeBob SquarePants pants. She is 130 pounds, and she is 100 feet. Spain took the child. If you see Spain or the child, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on the dangerous life-threatening situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the South Dakota, New Mexico, South Carolina, Indiana, Illinois, Minnesota, Texas, and California Police Department. Spain has a tank that could kill everyone. All residents in these states should seek underground shelter immediately. Bring food, water, medical supplies, phones, chargers, battery packer, radio, and clothes. Stay tuned for more updates on this very dangerous situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Spain is getting even more madder and madder and madder. We tried everything we could do but failed. But I have one more idea to make Spain happy. Maybe take them to the airport to go to Spain. Residences in the United States, including Canada, Mexico, Germany, and United Kingdom, should seek underground shelter immediately. The President of the United States will deliver us a message over the emergency alert system.
My fellow Americans, we are in the very extremely dangerous situation. Spain is going on a rampage, a very big rampage. But don't worry, we'll try our best and we will never lose. We will always win. Stay calm. Panicking will lose control. Don't worry, my fellow Americans, we know how to sort this out. That was my message. Goodbye, and I hope you survive.
That was the message from the President from the United States. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. Spain got killed by the good guys from video game characters, movie characters, and YouTubers. Their names are Cuphead, Mugman, Mario, Luigi, Caden, Bill Cipher, Dave the Minion, and Cool Kenzie. You can exit out of your shelters now. Now we go back to regular programming.